Hello everyone and happy Saturday. Getting right into today's video. This is the Entiry Spring Collection. This collection is called New Beginnings and this was sent to me from Entiry for review. So I want to thank them very much because I love their collections. I did a winter collection a few months ago and that in itself was absolutely stunning. So as you can see, these are some really cute spring colors. You do get a lot, 15 milliliters of gel polish, as you can see, and these colors are just beautiful. So we're going to get right into the video with some swatches of the gel polishes, and then they also had sent me their acrylic collection as well. So let's get right into it. And here we have the acrylic powders that correlate with the gel polishes. So you do get 1.5 ounces of acrylic powder. You can use it as dip as well. I really love this collection. It is breathtaking. I will mention, however, during the video, you will notice there's about 2 colors that really have a color separation. As I apply it, it seems to go away, but I do a swatch at the end of the actual acrylic powders and you can see how the colors do change. But in any event, that does happen a lot of times. With your more pigmented colors, they will be a little chalky. You'll have some color separation. It happens, but it's also very workable. So what I really like about this acrylic is how it lays. It really does mold to the nail and is very easy to work with. It's very smooth and creamy. I had no issues with it sticking to my brush. So yeah, I really enjoyed working with this product and I do highly recommend it. So I will leave all of the information in the description box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please stick around. I have a lot more content to come and I will see you soon.